Today we're learning the cocktail recipe of a margarita. Hey everybody, my name is Michael, a cocktail bartender at Polly in Fitzroy, Melbourne. And today we are learning the cocktail recipe of a margarita. The traditional recipe of a margarita is 30 ml of tequila, 30 ml of orange triple sec, and 30 ml of lime juice. So nice basic recipe. Today we're learning a little bit more advanced with more altered measurements. So today we'll be using El Jimador Tequila, 100% agave, really good stuff, and we're using 40 ml of this one. We've got orange triple sec, which is Contro today. We're using 20 ml of that one, and we're using 30 ml of lime juice, which is about one whole lime. Before we get started, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, will be much appreciated. So the first thing we'll be doing today is making our salt rim around the margarita. So we're going to use one of our fresh limes. So giving it a bit of a squeeze and just rimming the edge. So then we grab our salt. For this recipe as well, a margarita, flaked salt is better than just normal salt, table salt. So we now have prepared our salt rim with flaked salt around the edge, and we've left half the glass empty, as a lot of guests don't like to drink straight from the salt every sip. Adding a bit of ice to our drink there. Plus having the salt rim half off is very easy to dump the ice. So we're doing 40 ml of our tequila. We're doing 20 ml of our Cointreau, and 30 ml of lime. Now we're going to shake. Adding ice to our small shaker. And shaking for between 7 and 10 seconds. Now we're dumping the ice. Fine straining or double straining. Really did that backwards. And now we've got the extra lime wedge, which I've dropped. Putting a cut. And we can just put that on the very edge as a final garnish. Grabbing your napkin. And we have a beautiful margarita. Of course, we have to give it a little bit of a sip. Oh, succulent. So I like to put half my lips on the salt, half my lips off, because then you get a good balance of the flavors. Thanks guys, hit subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you in our next video.